Good evening, sir. Hello. Hello. What happened? Deal is there. No disappointment. Take the paper. Then Akshay is there. Akshay. Park. Hello. Park is there. You don't need another paper. 7.5 is there. Paritosh. Nikita Kumar. Nihal Kumar. Which means yes, sir, right here. Very nice. Are you? Rasim is not there. All of you stand up. Aditya, how many you got in physics? What are the papers you got? How many you got in chemistry? Very bad. That's why I keep on talking and talking. Why did you? So that whole story we will go to now. Huh? So we will stop now. We will start the lecture now or not? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are you sure which you got in bio? And chemistry? Oh, very good. Maths? Maths how many you got? Maths? 8. Good. Sit down, like you. Yeah. Homework was there? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think so. I can learn all those. Sir, please stand up. How are you? Well, after a long time I'm seeing you. Only miss 3 lectures. Only miss 2 weeks. 1 week. I said 1 week you wanted 3. Then what happened? Celebrating birthday. Still 1 month more there. Then again you will take leave. Ishita. Sir, you told to bring volume 2. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Volume 2. What are the homework you want? Sir, the homework was given first of all that we have to do the board questions. Then what questions of which chapter? Sir, ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion, okay. Yes. Are keep quiet now. Nobody, I asked him to talk and others be quiet now. Sir, then another one is to learn the polygons. Polygon names. Yes. Okay, tell me what is the polygon of 6 sides? Hexagon. Polygon of 7 sides? Heptagon. This one? Polygon of 8 sides? You stand up. Polygon of 9 sides. The 10 sides. Decagon. 7 sides. Is there any other word on septagon also we say sometimes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sit down. That is the polygon she said. Okay. Homework done now.
Yes, sir.
This man, I was supposed to stop. I asked somebody to check the homework. Who is checking the homework? Uttagra, Adina? He is looking.
Sir, I trust everyone.
I trust everyone. I don't trust you. Okay. Hello, I don't trust you. Stand up there. What is the next test next Sunday?
Not given, sir.
Next exam, less than full mark you get. Then I will tell you.
I cannot reject full
Huh?
I get full in that mark sheet, but not in UT.
Like you mean to say you are not giving every Sunday no test paper, you are not giving.
Sir, I am giving, but
Sir, I think we usually write slates of
Right, that.
but I got full marks in previous exam. Previous months.
Hello? Studying now? Seriously? Check who is not doing the homework. Check with him. But you check with interest everyone. If you have done, everyone has done. Aritosh? No. You are getting 40 day by day. What is your doubt? Two doubts in where? Okay, now ratio proportion, keep aside now. Hello? Srijit and friend, please be quiet. Ayush, stand up. Hello? Oh, madam. Oh. Hello? Quietly sit now. She doesn't speak that way. If you said something only, she must have spoken. You got 19 out of 20 in chemistry now. If you get, who said that one? Behave yourself. Yeah, I am telling you. You think that you are the only one can get the mark? Then behave. If you want, I will tell the parents also. Then you will come to know. Yeah. Hello. Next maths exam. Get good marks. Otherwise, you wait and see. Topic will come now. Trigonometrical. Don't worry. Timely it will come. Okay. Sit down. Nikhil, study well. Now, we were doing the chapter similarity. The last class we discussed. What is the last point we discussed? Triangle we discussed. Types of triangles we discussed. Okay. Open your notebook. There are people are talking there. These four only. One of you. Who is talking there, Nikhil? Huh? Return similarity. Write down. These two. Samarth, how are you? All fine now?
Yes, sir.
No response. I can't hear anything. Okay. Now, Swatika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Some problem with this one. Okay. Return similarity. Write down. That timely I'll give you the doubt. Right, properties of triangles. You're unwell? Kind of means what? Are you unwell? You got fever, cough, cold and all? So just cover your face and say, okay? That's it. So written properties of triangles. Written, all of you listen. One by one properties I am going to explain. Okay. First word you will write, first one you write altitude. Those who know what is altitude, please raise the hand. Neve, I didn't see you in the last class. Neve, huh? And then Neve is asking today. Those who ask what is an altitude? Height. What is the height? Altitude. Yes.
The distance between ground to sky.
Ground to sky. So we will go to the sky and find out. Okay. Yes, we are talk. Did you see the heading? What is written over there? Did you read? Hello, hero. Close that volume. That is not there in the volume. What are you searching? There is nothing in that volume. Did you write the heading of the chapter? What is written?
Properties of light.
So we are writing properties of sky. Yes. No.
Sir,
Sir, nice.
sir, the line, a perpendicular line drawn from a vertex.
Write down. Perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Altitude. Perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the opposite side. Opposite side. Those who don't know, please look at the figure. Have you seen altitude? AD, perpendicular. You know what you mean by perpendicular now?
Yes, sir.
And is it the D is the midpoint?
No.
Not necessarily. Okay. Okay. So altitude all. No. All okay. Okay. Now, for a triangle, how many altitudes can be drawn? Three from every vertex, one. So right, for a triangle, 3 altitudes can be drawn. For a triangle, 3 altitudes can be drawn. They all meet at a common point. Those who know raise their hand. What is that point called? Orthocenter. They meet at a common point. That point is called orthocenter. What do you mean by orthocenter? Point of intersection of all the altitudes. Remember the word. Orthocenter. O-R-T-H-O. Orthocenter.
Point of intersection of
All the altitudes. They all meet at a common point. That common point is called. Why late? Treatment is going on. All fine now?
Yes.
Yeah. Orthocenter. Written. Next. That which is enough. Next. Next one, right? Median.
Sir,
Median. It's gone, I think. Next lecture. Yes.
sir, perpendicular drawn which
No.
divides
No.
side in.
No.
Sir, divides into 2 equal parts. Sir, the line drawn from the point of a triangle that
Point of a triangle.
drawn from any point of the triangle.
Any point of a triangle. Hey, hello, hello. Line drawn from a vertex to the midpoint. Not any point. Any point, don't tell. Okay. Understood? Right. Drawn from the line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. You know what is it, the midpoint of opposite side? Midpoint, you know what is the meaning?
Yes. So, line drawn from the vertex.
To the midpoint of the opposite side. Or which bisects the opposite side. Line, go and write everything. Line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. PD is equal to DC. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Acha, attendance sheet was here. Now, all of you sign the attendance sheet. Okay, sign and pass it. Now, do you know how many medians can be drawn? 3 medians. You know they meet at the common point called centroid. So right, 3 for a triangle, 3 medians can be drawn. For a triangle, 3 medians can be drawn. The point of intersection is centroid. Point of intersection is centroid. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This way. There is a property for centroid. Anyone know?
So is it?
There is a property for centroid. Anyone knows?
Sir.
Tell na.
So it's the line. So in the centroid, it divides the median of the line by the ratio 2/1.
Yes, centroid divide the write down. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Look here. Divide median in the ratio 2:1. Have you seen? AG is to GD is 2:1. Or BG is to G is 2:1. CG is to GF is 2:1. This is 2:1, 2/1. Ratio study. Okay. There are more properties are there. Median divide the triangle into two triangles of 90. Where is the 90-degree come? Wrong. Equal area. They are not congruent. Who and whom they are congruent? Huh? Congruent. No, sir. No, sir. Not who they are congruent. Okay. They are. Okay. These and these are equal. What else you can do? And AD is common.
Yes, sir. One thing is.
Yeah, one thing is missing. Okay, now listen. This much is clear.
Yes, sir.
Third one, angle bisector. Angle bisector. Word itself is clear.
Yes, sir.
Should I? You don't need to write now. What do you mean by angle bisector?
It divides the angle.
Angle, vertex angle. Bisects the vertex angle. Equal parts. Okay. How many angle bisectors can be drawn?
Three.
Three angle bisectors. Written these all.
Sir, it bisects the angle at 90
Name. How much?
degrees.
Two equal parts. There's no 90-degree. Nothing to do. Okay. Three angle bisectors can be drawn. Short form you write, no need to write as per paragraph at all. Then they all meet at the common point. Do you know? Who those who know raise the hand. They all meet at a common point. Yes.
Sir, in center.
In center. Common point is the in center. This one. All the angle bisectors. In center. Okay. Are you following? Srijit, if you not follow, tell, I will explain again. Arshit, are you following? Sure. Ask your friend behind. Ask your brother. Ask your sister. This is the way you learn that form. Huh? Parents also behave this way. Now, this ring center. Have you heard about in circle? In circle. Also heard about in circle? Yes, sir. Correct. What is saying? Something correct. Circle inscribed in a triangle. Do you know what I mean by inscribed? Inside and touches all the sides.
Yes.
Understood or not? This type of figures you must this one you remember.
Yes, sir.
Harry Potter was
Yeah. This type. Are you followed? This is called in circle. Circle inscribed in a triangle. Okay.
You have to write this.
Not required. You can, if you want, you write right now. And its center is the in center. Okay. Center of this circle is called the in center. Means its center is obtained by drawing the angle bisectors. These all properties are there. Okay. And there is one other property also there. In center is equidistant from all the sides. The properties are there. Distance from the sides are equal. Equidistant. Okay, that is, these are properties are there. Okay. Now, next is perpendicular bisector. Fourth one.
Sir,
Perpendicular bisector. What do you wanted to tell?
sir, it divides into two equal parts.
What divides into two equal parts?
90 degrees.
The line which is perpendicular, word itself is clear now. Line which is perpendicular to a side and which bisects a side. What you are searching about? It is not there in that book. This is the you are talking about 9th standard and 8th standard.
Yes, sir.
Line which is perpendicular to the side and bisects the side. Are you followed or not?
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular to the side and bisect the side. If you want to see this one means if this is the midpoint, you draw a perpendicular.
So perpendicular from the side and.
Perpendicular and bisects it. Perpendicular to the side and bisects. How many perpendicular bisectors can be drawn? 3. They all meet at a common point. Those who know raise hand. Yes, tell. Centroid is already there now. Then how many centroid is there?
Sir, in center.
And one is already
Circumference.
half and right means you will come to know. Circumcenter. Point of intersection of all the perpendicular bisectors is called the circumcenter.
Please repeat the first point again.
Perpendicular bisector. Line which is perpendicular to a side and bisects the side.
The point of intersection between two perpendicular.
All the perpendicular bisectors is the circumcenter. Remember the words. Perpendicular bisector. Quickly, I have to wind up now to start the topic. Now, return.
Yes, sir.
Now you must have seen altitude start from a vertex, median start from a vertex, angle bisector start from a vertex, but perpendicular bisector need not pass through the vertex. Okay now,
Okay, sir.
this altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, all are same? All are same? No, all are 4 different lines. If I draw a perpendicular, this one. This is called what?
Altitude.
Perpendicular. It is called altitude. What is this line?
Median.
Median, because the midpoint. This line is?
Perpendicular.
This other line. Okay, these are the 4 different lines are coming. Okay. So, this much is clear. That means all these points, or in orthocenter stands for altitude. Centroid stands for incenter stands for circumcenter stands for. I forgot to tell one more. Circumcircle. Have you heard about?
Sir, this is opposite.
So it's the opposite of inside.
Yes, circumcenter.
So in this is triangle inside a circle.
Triangle is inside in a circle. Very good. Okay, triangle is inside. Its opposite will come. Suppose if I draw here. This is called a circumcircle. Okay. Both the centers are different. Don't take both the same centers. Okay. Or circle circumscribing. Circumscribing means it is passing through all the vertices. Okay, understood? If I draw a circle over here and this is called circumscribed circle, circumcircle, and its center is the circumcenter. And then this property, right? Circumcenter is required. Circumcenter is equidistant from all the vertices. Circumcenter is equidistant from all the vertices. Equidistant from all the vertices. Written?
Yes, sir.
So completed.
Yes, sir.
Any clarification required, anyone?
No, sir.
Now, so we discussed about altitude, median, etc. different now.
Yes, sir.
So below right. In an equilateral triangle. What happened now? What are you doing? Fan and AC is required.
Yes, sir.
But then tell, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you need equilateral.
In an equilateral triangle, altitude, median, angle bisector, and perpendicular bisector are same. In an write the names now, all the names are there now. In an equilateral triangle, altitude, median, angle bisector, and perpendicular bisector are same. Written.
Yes, sir.
If they are same means orthocenter, circumcenter, ring center, center, all are same point only. I don't need to explain. Do I need anyone need an explanation for that? And isosceles triangle, how about
Sir, perpendicular bisector and angle bisector are same.
where?
Sir, the median and angle bisector.
In an isosceles triangle, from the vertical angle, if you are drawing, you know what do you mean by vertical angle? I said no.
Sir, other than the base, sir.
So that from there, if you are drawing altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, they will be same. From other vertex, it will not. Okay.
Sir, not able to.
So you know what is vertical angle?
No, sir.
Last class I said these all. Forgot means everything. Now these all things again next class I will tell.
No, sir.
So isosceles triangle, you know what is isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal, so base angles are equal.
Yes, sir.
This unequal angle is called the vertical angle.
Acha.
Okay, from here if I draw altitude, that will be same as median. So this will be equal. If these were same in angle bisector will be same.
Okay, sir.
Perpendicular bisector also same. But whereas from here if I draw it will not be. What happened? All fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this much is clear now. Okay, these are the properties of the triangle. Quadrilateral, all of you know now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. I don't need to draw the shape of the quadrilateral.
No, sir.
Okay, tell some of the angles of the quadrilateral. 360 degree. How many diagonals are there?
Four.
What is this?
Two diagonals.
There are two diagonals are there. Four sides and two diagonals. Diagonal means what mean? What do you mean by diagonal? Opposite vertices. Opposite vertices called the diagonal. Okay. Now, trapezium, you know what do you mean by
Yes,
trapezium?
sir.
Open or inside? Five sides.
Sir, can you repeat?
What's that?
Sir, wait a second.
You know, trapezium is also a quadrilateral. Tell.
Yes, sir.
Trapezium is a quadrilateral which has two sides which are
One pair of opposite sides are parallel.
parallel.
I don't need to show no. There's a special type of trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. Non-parallel sides are equal. Their properties are their base angles equal, diagonals.
Sir,
Okay, these are, but you don't know, this is a five-sided ether, no?
No, sir, I.
Then, okay, now, parallelogram, do you know?
Yes, sir.
Sir, the sides of the
Both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. You know what are the properties?
Sir,
So,
the-
yeah, look, I will ask you. Those who know the properties of parallelogram, raise their hands.
So the lines which are parallel are
Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Not 90 degree.
not the 90 degrees.
Okay, remember the properties are there. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. That's or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know what's a rectangle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ishita, stand up. What's the area of a rectangle? Loudly. Length into breadth. What is its perimeter? Why are you looking at others? The length area also you looked at others. Somebody said to you. Do you know? L. 2 into L plus B. Do you know Ishita what the area of a square? Side square. What is its perimeter? 4 into side. These are basic things. Please keep in mind. Sit down. Okay. Sit down. Rectangle, all of you know. All the angles are 90 degree. Rectangle is a parallelogram. So all the properties of parallelogram satisfies. plus additional property of the rectangle is all angles are 90 degrees plus one more property. Diagonals are equal, not perpendicular. In the rectangle, diagonals are not perpendicular. Understood? Rhombus, you know, all of you. Who knows?
Sir, diagonals bisect.
There is no you. That's
So in rhombus, opposite sides are equal.
all sides are.
Opposite sides are parallel or are equal.
All the sides are equal. In a parallelogram, if all the sides are equal, it is a rhombus. So all the properties of the parallelogram satisfied.
Sir, opposite angles are equal and diagonals are at 90.
Diagonals bisect at 90 degree, perpendicular. That's the additional property. Diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals are not equal. Okay. Square, all of you know.
Yes.
I don't need to tell now.
No, sir.
Okay. All sides are equal. Angles are 90 degree, and all the properties. I is making square over there. Okay.
Diagonals bisect.
Diagonals bisect at a right angle. All the properties will satisfy. Okay, square. I if you know how to make the kite. You know what's the kite? Atal. Do you know? Tell now. Speak. Kite. Kite. Yes. Diamond. Kite is not a parallelogram. Kite is a rhombus. The rhombus is a parallelogram. Kite is rhombus. Two pair of adjacent sides are equal. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Two pair of adjacent sides are equal. Okay, that's all for the basic concepts we are going to do. Have you heard about the word congruent?
Yes.
Should I write the congruent over here?
Sir.
Those who know, raise a hand. Yes.
Sir, if both the triangles
I
are
will not tell
sir, if
contract.
both the right angles are equal, then it follows.
Right angle, sir. Yes.
Sir, if both the triangles are
I did not tell about triangles. Congruent. Because we only triangles, so we can be congruent. Huh? Sit down. Yes.
Sir, it's angles of any.
Now, listen. Two objects are said to be congruent if they have the same size and same shape. I repeat, congruent objects means they have same size and the same shape. Shape should be same and size should be same. Any example can you tell? Yes, now you all of you brought the UT volume now. Volume 1 of maths is congruent. Same pen, same company. You brought this one, same company. These are congruent. Like that. Okay. Congruent, same size and same shape. Okay. There are a lot of things. Oh, thank you. Yes. Who said it's similar? How do you know it's similar? Do you know what you mean similar? Yes. Okay. Now, same size and the same shape it is coming as. Now, even when you other objects it is coming as photograph we take now.
yes, sir.
Photograph taking now, passport size photograph you take now.
Yes, sir.
Look at the sheet now. You see a monkey over there. Not monkey in your face. Okay. So the passport size, all the passport size photographs are congruent object. Okay. Understood? Congruent. Let's come to okay. This is what equal to and congruent. Equal to means you can take the numbers are equal to. Equations are equal to. Congruent means quantities congruent to objects. Okay. You cannot tell this one is equal to that one. I said photograph. This photograph is equal to photograph. You will not write. Congruent. Plus, okay, same size and the same shape. Now, next is no. Listen. Now, when do we say two line segments are congruent? They have the same line. When do we say two angles are congruent? Same measure. Okay. When do we say two circles are congruent?
Same radius.
They are the same radii. Equal circles or same radii. Do you know circles of the same center are called?
Similar.
Concentric circles. Okay, circles with the same center are called concentric circles. Okay, now. So listen here. Do you know what? When do we say two triangles are congruent?
Sir, when they are equal.
And if you know, just raise the hand. Others are the raise the hand. You know you're wrong.
Sir, when the angles are same at this length of the sides.
Right now, two triangles are said to be congruent. Two triangles are said to be congruent if two triangles are said to be congruent if one, corresponding angles are equal. Two, corresponding sides are equal. Both the situations should satisfy, okay? That's the meaning. Corresponding angles are equal, and the second one is corresponding sides are equal. That is the way two triangles are congruent. Notation, all of you know.
Sir, a wave-like structure. Sir, I know that.
Have you seen this one?
Yes.
Triangle ABC is congruent to, how do you read this one? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, Naira, what all things you will get from here? If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Which sides are equal? Tell which sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Akansha,
The corresponding.
are they corresponding to which side? Those who know.
The AB equal to PQ.
AB is equal to PQ.
BC equal to QR.
BC is equal to QR.
And AC equal to PR.
AC is equal to PR. These are the three corresponding sides. You know what is the correspondence means? AB corresponds to PQ. AB is not equal to QR. Understood or not?
Yes,
Okay. Now, Nehal, do you know which are the corresponding angles equal?
The angle P.
Angle A is equal to
Angle is equal to angle P.
Hmm.
Angle P is equal to angle Q.
angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. Remember the correspondence. Okay now. Now, these are called. These are called. Corresponding points. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Okay, that is called CPCTC. Whenever you write this one, from there these results are writing. Okay, understood now?
Yes, sir.
Now, I don't need to repeat these all. Congruence also will come in between. Now, next is, do you know different test of congruence? Means by proving the, who is that? When did this Rasim was here? Oh. Okay. Now, look here, where definition of the congruence I said, when corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides, means 6 condition. It's not necessary for 6 condition. Who knows which are the test of congruence? Yes.
SSS sides.
First I will write this one. You know what is SAS, then.
SS.
Yeah?
ASA and
ASA.
Sir, A is
Not last.
The last one.
Yes.
Sir, A is.
So that's that second last also and third last both are same.
Almost, but not close.
Yeah. Listen, these are the, all of you stop talking now. These are the 5 tests of congruence. Who knows what is SAS? Who knows what is SAS? Yes, but SAS. Now tell instead of SAS, you could have said. Me, others be quiet. All of you be quiet.
Two corresponding sides.
Corresponding sides are equal and the input action.
Once again repeat.
In a triangle, two corresponding sides are equal and the input action.
2 sides and the included angle, not side angle side. Okay, adjusted. How do you know this one? If 2 sides and angle side means always it should be like that. I can also tell side angle, side this way. So that is why you have to tell what she said. Did you hear? ABC is congruent to PQR means. So you can take it as you can BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR, and the angle C is equal to angle R. It should be that one. That's why two sides and the which one included angle. Okay. Understood all of you? SSS I don't need to tell. Okay, what do you mean by ASA? Standard.
So there are two angles and one side.
Any one side.
No, sir.
You
Sir, if two angles at the two included sides.
two angles and the included side. Okay. And what is the AS?
Sir, if any two angles.
Two angles and a side. Any one side. It's not necessarily included. Okay, sit down. Who tell RHS? Yes. RHS. RHS. Nobody knows RHS. Anything.
Sorry, one side is 90 degree.
One side is 90 degrees. One side is 90.
Sorry, one angle. Sorry. Sir, one angle of 90
RHS, two right triangles are congruent. The hypotenuse and the side are equal to the hypotenuse and side. Okay, understood now? These are congruent, there is no problem? Okay, so we will start with the chapter similarity. You know what I mean by similarity? All of you be quiet. All of you be quiet now. Yes,
When two objects are of the same shape,
objects now.
but they are not of the same size.
Object. Now start it. Open the book. Open the book. Our work is open the book. Close. Once we close the book. Yeah. Listen. Objects of the same shape are said to be similar, not necessarily to the same size. Listen these three statements. Similar figures means objects of the same shape, but not necessarily the same size. Every congruent object is similar, whereas every similar object is not congruent. Understood all of you? It is called, I said data photograph. Photograph is taking in I said passport size. There are small sizes, stamp size photographs are there. Stamp size and passport size, they are similar. Similar means enlarge or reduction. Okay, either you enlarge it or reduction. Okay, that is called. Or when some of the houses and buildings are there, where before the builders, what they do, they make the model of the building. That is a similar. Okay, how they are not making. They see this one correspondence. They'll take this length, this breadth, and all this one. They are called the similar. Okay, similar figures. You social studies you do know. History of map you do know. India's map. Yes, sir. India geography. India's map is similar to India. That's why a scale is given over there, na? Scale factor. Okay, scale factor is given. So similar. Whereas two maps of India, if you are taking, they are congruent.
Because they are the same.
Okay, they are congruent or it is coming. Followed now. Similar. Okay. Now, two triangles are write down. You can note down. The things are similar. Similar triangle. Similar triangle.
Sir, we have to give heading similar triangle.
Similar triangle. Similar triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar.
Sir, wait a second.
Second is ours.
Sir, 2 seconds.
Two triangles are said to be similar. If two conditions again. Two triangles are said to be similar if first one, corresponding
Sides.
angles are equal.
Sir, same.
Can you shut your mouth? Corresponding angles are equal. Second, corresponding sides. Who said again?
Sir,
Corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Proportion, all of you know what is the meaning now? What is the meaning of proportion?
7 to ratio.
Comparison of two
Equal ratio. Okay, means or you can say corresponding sides are in equal ratio, not in same ratio. Are you followed? So when do we say two triangles are similar? Corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, so okay. This is the notation is coming. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Here we know which are the conditions you'll get. Angle A is equal to angle B. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. Now, sides, what did you write?
AB and C.
AB upon PQ, the ratio, is equal to PC upon QR, is equal to AC upon PR. Ratios will be equal. No, you cannot write AB proportional to PQ. Ratio and proportion you all have studied now.
Yes, sir.
Because a ratio between AB and PQ is equal to ratio between BC and QR, ratio between AC and PR. In congruence, you see AB and PQ are equal. BC and QR are equal. AC and PR are equal. Followed. Suppose if it is coming in this way, 3 by 6. This can be 4 by 8. This can be 6 by 12. The ratios. Understood or not? Sides. And now, followed all of you? Okay. Below you can write every congruent triangles are similar. Every congruent triangles are similar to each other. Whereas its opposite is not true, na? Similar triangles are not necessary to be congruent. Are similar to each other. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Whereas other parties. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Every similar triangles are not necessary to be congruent. Kushagra followed these all. Yes, sir. Whatever I said to follow, not follow, tell na.
Yes.
Okay. So similarity followed.
Yes.
Okay. So proportionality followed na. Okay. Stand up. You want to do one thing, next day come and see what I say. You're looking into others of the what? Somebody how big is it? Now, yes, if it is, you stand up once again. What is it now there?
Sir, congruent.
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQ. Can you prove they are similar?
Sir, AB. Sir, if angle A equals to angle B, then angle B equals to angle B.
Or
So then AB upon BC is equal to BC upon.
how?
Sir, since they are congruent.
If they are congruent? These all parts will be coming CPCTZ. Yes, Akansha.
So we can say that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR equal to 1.
Very good. AB and P, very good. AB and PQ are equal, therefore the ratio is 1. BC and QR are equal, their ratio is 1. Yes, yes, therefore. Constant is equal to 1. AB is equal to PQ. AB and PQ are equal now. Equal thing by equal thing is how much? 1 only now. Not the constant. Constant is coming for ratios. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here it is 1, 1, 1. Okay now? Yes. Okay. So every congruent figures are similar. Like in the similarity congruence, we had how many tests of congruence were there? 5. In similarity, we have 3 tests of similarities. Right. Nice, na? Okay, right. Test of similarity. Tests of similarity. Test of similarity. There are 3. 1. There are 3 out of which 1. Triple A or double A?
So below the heading, sense of similarity.
Yes. The three. Who is that? Starts first? Huh? Who is that starts? Aditya. Wait for another 10 years at least. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Now focus in your paper, okay? No. So, last name all become very active. Yeah. Over here, look here. So, you wrote this one.
Yes.
You know, by the way, what is it? Do you know what is the difference between similarity and congruence? Anyone not followed the definition? Both the definitions I made too. Yes.
Sir, similarity is all the triangles are similar, but irrespective of the
In
size.
similarity, both triangles are similar. In congruence, both the triangles.
Sir, but in both the sides will be there. So the measure of the both the sides will be equal.
So in my congruency, the sides are similar.
Sides are similar.
Angles
Sides are
equal.
proportional.
The congruency.
Congruency you are telling a similarity.
I'm telling for congruency.
Congruency.
The sides are equal, and while in similarity, sides are proportional.
Proportional. Another word for proportional, equal ratio. That is the difference. You have seen in the definition, corresponding angles are equal in both the cases. That is not it. Whereas in congruence, corresponding sides are equal. Whereas the angles are, sorry, in similarity, sides are proportional. Understood? Proportional means equal ratio. That is the difference is coming. Now we have, so that means here also definition also same way. A means what? Means all the corresponding angles are equal and the two, listen now. When the corresponding angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar.
Yes, sir.
Equilateral triangles, you see, they are always similar. The corresponding angles are equal. Okay, squares will be always similar. Now, instead of A, you can write double A. You know why? What is the meaning of double A? Two pair of angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. You know what is the reason? We have an angle sum property. When two pair of angles are equal, automatically third angle will be equal. Okay. Now, what is your doubt? Tell me. Now, yes.
So what is in the case of isosceles triangle?
Isosceles triangle, we will come by. I will ask you the same question. Wait. Anga, be quiet. Yes. Have you seen how many triangles in this figure? Two triangles. Can you prove these two triangles are similar?
Yes,
Sir,
Yes. So those who know raise a hand. PQ now.
Sir, PQ equal to half VC. Sir, no bank. Sir, in angle
Stop talking. You listen. Okay. Listen to all of you. Yeah.
if angle APQ is equal to angle ABC, corresponding angles.
Which are repeat.
Angle APQ is equal to angle ABC.
They are corresponding angle because these two are parallel means these two angles are equal.
Sir, then angle AQP is equal to
Again,
angle.
the corresponding angle. Now, two pair is enough. Okay. Even third angle is equal, common angle. Okay. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Are you or not? This is the easiest similarity to find out. Okay. Easiest way to prove similarity is correspond double A. Most of the cases you are going to use double A. Even sometimes if two right triangles will be equal. If automatically one pair of angle already got equal, no 90 degrees. Now you have to search only for one more pair of angle. Understood or not? Yeah. Okay, so all right, these are the so double A so what is the similarity? When the corresponding angles are equal, when the two triangles are similar. What is it? Now, next is SSS similarity. Do you know what I mean by SSS similarity? Now, when the corresponding sides are proportional, then the triangles are similar. Ratio between the sides are equal, then the triangles are similar.
Yes, sir.
Next step. SAS similarity. SAS side angle means again side angle. Two pair of sides are proportional and the remember that one. Okay, two pair of sides are proportional and the included angles are equal. Then the two triangles are similar. This also is clear, all of you. Okay, it's a ratio. Now, when you write this one, the ratios, all of you followed how to take the ratio. Again, the order is important.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
No problem, sir.
Is which type of triangle?
Right.
Who's the A? Who's the A? Hello. Okay, listen now. Okay, in this figure, have you seen triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, BD is a perpendicular drawn to the hypotenuse drawn. How many pairs of triangles can you see? Those who know, raise the hand. How many pairs of triangle can you see? Two pairs. Any others? Three pairs. Only three. Two pairs.
Sir, three, sir.
Three pairs. One pair.
So, three, sir.
Do you know what I mean by pair now? So you got one. Any other pair you can find out? Is there three pairs you can find in this figure? One. ADB and ABC. And BDC and ABC, they are the three pair. Listen all of you carefully now. Whenever I tell triangle ABC means ABC, we should not stop over here. ABC here. Look at that way. Identify that way. Triangle ADB means ADB, complete. BDC means, then only you will see the angles and all. Identify. Now, okay. Second one, all of you look at the second pair. ADB and ABC. Have you identified?
Yes, sir.
Can you prove these two triangles are similar?
Yes, sir.
Those who know, raise the hand.
Sir, triangle ADB, angle ADB is 90 degree, and in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree.
So you have to tell what way angle ADB is equal to angle ABC, both 90 degrees. One pair you got.
So,
Then the other one is very simple.
side AB.
No side. Similarity, there is no common side. It's very simple.
So, angle is common.
Angle A is common both of them. Okay, that is why always keep in mind, whenever I tell a triangle means look this way. Then it's very easy to identify. Now listen carefully.
Wow.
Now look here. We got, all of you followed what are the two pairs you got? Angle A is equal to angle A. Angle ADB is equal to angle ABC. Now listen, all of you listen carefully. Similarity should be written in proper order, may not be given in the question that order. But how to write means, first one of the triangle write ADB, similar to. Simply don't look and write into ADB, and we know triangle ABC. ABC may be CBA or CAB, whatever the way. Now check, A corresponds to what? A only. So first letter should match with first letter. D is what? 90 degree. Therefore, this also is 90 degree. C. And then automatically third letter. Two letters match means automatically third will come.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one.
Angle B is.
Who those who now raise their hands? Yes. Saying tell na those who know I said.
Sir, if it's angle C the common.
Angle C is common.
Sir, then angle BDC is equal.
Angle BDC is equal to angle ABC. Both are 90 degree. Therefore, is it the order? Check.
Yes, sir.
C and C is should be matching.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
D is 90 degree, corresponding 90 degree. Then third one automatically.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, done this also. Okay. How to prove the first one? First one.
So in the first one, angle ADB is equal to angle CDB.
Both are 90 degree.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then
And so angle ABD is equal to CDB.
how?
So there is bisecting it.
Bisecting. Who said it's bisecting?
It's
What is BD? What is BD?
Sir, BD common side.
Perpendicular means what? Altitude. Is it or not? Is it altitude is same as the median? Is an angle by
It is common.
Oh, in similarity there is no common sides. Similarity sides proportion. This is not. These two angles are not equal.
So can you say angle equal to angle C for these 90?
Right triangle means angle A and angle or right triangle. New to a conscious rule. Right triangle means of two angles. Yes.
Sir, AB upon BC.
How? Ratio is given, I think. Others are nobody is listening carefully. Thinking. Yes,
Angle ADB is equal to angle BDC 90 degree.
Harish, that already said, no need to tell again and again. The remaining term. If it is A similarity means one more pair of angle. SA is case what is here?
So angle D is common.
Do you know which is triangle ADB? And this is the triangle and we wrote these two angles are 90. Now give me angle
AB by
That's
BC.
a ratio one. How do you get the ratio? All of you put your hand down. And all of you listen now. They cannot be similar. Okay, listen now. Look here. Triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC.
Yes, sir.
Triangle BDC similar to ABC.
Yes, sir.
So both are similar to same thing. They are similar to each other.
Yes.
No.
So that we cannot.
Triangle ADB is similar to, listen here. Triangle ADB is similar to ABC and BDC is similar to ABC. Both of them we proved. Therefore, they are similar to each other. If A equal to B, B equal to C, then A equal to C. Heard about this property?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but we can't able to prove.
Sir, if angle remains the same.
All of you now listen. All of you listen now. Do you know what is a right triangle?
Yes, sir.
Trigonometry studied now. We all are not trigonometry. What is a right triangle? In a triangle, one angle is 90 degree. Other two angles are acute and
Sum is 90.
less than acute and they are complementary. Then what will be this angle?
91 and theta.
That means all of you followed now. Consider this. You look at this triangle. What is this angle? Well, then what will be this angle?
90 by theta.
Now, they can be there similar.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Chalo, bhai, next class we will be starting the exercise. Listen here, all of you listen. Similarity chapter to do. It's not that easy. You have to be okay. Now listen carefully. Homework which what did you do? Please practice. I am not giving today any specific homework. Please practice yourself.
Yes, sir.
I need to